Oh, no.
Why? Hi there. Ow. My ears.
Oh, we're good. That was cool though.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, that one.
that was puny.
Oh.
Ow, Jesus Christ.
I'm not gonna look up. I'm just gonna let it burn.
I would look up.
Too bad thing that burns your eyes.
That's why I don't look up. It will burn my eyes.
My eyes are fine. I mean, I have that thing in my eye from the start of the day, but I'm fine other than that. What was that? What was that? What?
It's a little one.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, at least that's better than ours.
Why do they look like dildos? Yeah, because we don't have any, Doug.
No, like when we had some.
We had some.
Last year, I know.
There was a oh,
Hey, high five.
I'm ready for one to just hit us.
Stop.
Like, no killing. I'm ready.
Stop. You didn't hit me.
That's cool.
I feel like that power line's gonna break.
Yeah.
4 power lines.
Jesus. Oh, something going on over there, but I want to see that smaller. It's a little bit of You can be quiet. If you could be quiet, that'd be nice.
Doug,
If you could be quiet,
this power line
be quiet.
has been trying to break since we got here.
What?
Hi, how you doing? Not since we got here.
Well, since they started like the 15th fireworks.
This is cool.
Ah, he's bullying me.
You bullying me? Why you bullying me? Oh.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
I'm gonna bitch slap you. Hello. I can't even see you two, so it doesn't really matter. Until we're done, or until we're forced back.
Yeah, probably until it's done.
What is that?
It's a like a little sparkle. Yeah, it's a sparkle.